Scotty's just laying the rocks today.
Jeez Louise. Look how red that eye is.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that cool?
You little bugger, huh?
I think it's just a rock bass.
Oh, little walleye.
Oh, I got a little
Alright, get in the
Oh,
boat.
stop. Bring it in. Had a boy, Riley.
Hold it, dude.
Got it? Right here.
Here. Right
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, it's just right there.
Atta boy.
What do you think, huh? Finally got on her?
First Lake Vermilion walleye, right?
First walleye of the year, too.
Yeah, what, we get it measured up and...
Yeah, a little jig and a night crawler on there.
Yeah.
He's just having some issues with his
Line. I told him, hey, reel it up, I'll fix it. He went to reel it up and...
I wasn't even going to. I was just
starting to get a little dark out, and hopefully we get a few more here before the night ends. Way to go, Riley.
Yay.
Heck
Yeah.
Dude.
Finally on the board. Not the biggest, but it's a start, right?
Yeah, it's a start. And they're definitely golden out here on Lake Vermilion. We kind of put an X-Nate at Fraser Bay, went on a long boat ride off of out of
Big
the
Island or Big Lake.
yeah,
First spot.
Big Bay, and first spot, bouncing off kind of in between two 10-foot bumps out here and about 30 feet of water on the outside, and yeah, finding them out deep.
Number one.
Let's go.
All right, Scotty's hooked up again. Ooh, nice walleye. There we go.
Fuck yeah, or heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, we had a double, but I had a little smallie on. And it's got a nice little, nicer walleye. Whew, after battling all these rocks and
Wind.
the wind. Yeah. Heck yeah. Sweet, sweet Scotty.
Yeah, just throwing the lindy over, and like Donovan said, there's rocks out here. Everyone probably that fishes this lake knows about it, but I'll take a good ratio of every 5 snakes to a walleye so far.
Alright. That's awesome. Way to go, buddy.
Alright, thanks.
Good old Lindy rigging.
Donald's hooked up. That a boy, Dono. Woo! Yeah! Here, me. Nice Walter Dono. You called it too, right after the point. I think you see, guys, we're sitting right on the flat that comes up to Little Rock Island here. We named the Seagull Island. There's about 30,000 seagulls on it. Donald's throwing, what is that? Shad Rap?
Yeah.
Wow, that is what we came out here to do. Catch some Lake Vermilion golden walleyes. That is awesome.
First one of the trip.
First, yeah. Look at that.
Right at 19.
19 incher. That's a. Oh boy, dude. Let me get your phone. I'll take a picture of you. We'll check back in. It's wind's dying down. Just turned 6:30, and might not be in the video, but this is actually day 3 of us up here. It's been rough, but we're getting it done. Getting it done today. Nice one, Donald. Alright, we'll check back in, hopefully with more like that. I just, well, probably a little while ago now, but I got a 16-incher and right in this one, Donald. Right in that one. Yep. We'll check back in. Nothing like waiting until the last minute of the last day that we're up here for the 4th of July weekend to get into some nice ones. Check back in. Bye. Ooh.
Slow it down.
Might be small. Small head shakes. Oh, there's a head shake.
There we got it. There we got a little Walter. Ooh, it might be a bite size or eater size.
Seagull Island.
Second time wrapped around here. One's just smashing into those rocks. But right around that 8-foot mark. Time we got him on the cuff.
Right in.
Oh.
I'll take.
Atta boy. Getting him going.
He's a lively one.
He is. That boy, Scotty. On the old bump board.
12 3/4.
Nice. That'll eat. Alright, we're gonna get back at her. See if we can't keep the fun up.
Let's go. Another species. Crawfish will catch them all.
Have time holding on to these fish. Get it done, boys. Scott.
Alright, Donald just hooked up again. Get it in, Donald. Atta boy.
Fuck yeah.
Jig head. Leech. We decided to let the wind do its thing and blow us just across this little 10-foot bump out here in the middle of Big Bay. Nice
Good eater.
good eater, Donald. Atta boy.
Alright.
Oh God.
Got a good 1-man limit.
Looking good in there. Woo. Atta boy, Donald.
Good job.
Alright, well, let's maybe put the trolling motor back down and go back across or something.
Let's get it done.
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we are back off the lake. Obviously it's dark out. We did pretty decent. Got 5 years home. Donovan got that big 19-incher. I got that 16, then we got 3 13-inchers. I mean, I think that last one's 12 and a half, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. Had to kind of get out of Fraser Bay. We drove quite a ways out to Big Bay and kind of found a couple bumps. One that actually was Little Rock Island. You see in the video, we called it kind of Seagull Island. It was full of probably 100 seagulls on it, but it seemed to be the ticket. But yeah, we'll get these cleaned up and
Get some grub.
get some food. And we don't know if it's pretty late. We don't know if we're gonna fry these up or not, but if we do, we'll get on camera. If not, probably the last video or last video of up here. We take off tomorrow. Like I said earlier, we've been here for we got here on Friday. It's 4th of July weekend. Tomorrow's Monday, and we're heading back home. But we didn't get much. Riley caught one walleye the first night, Friday night, and we did not get anything but smallmouth and little perch and rock bass after that. So today was a good day to end it on, and
just one weekend.
Yeah,
nice to get into some fish.
Like I said, we're still learning this lake too. I mean, it's a battle, but we're getting fish, so we'll get there someday. But with that, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.